Hello everybody, my name is Roman Stadelmeier and today I'm gonna show you an example how to use the Provance Data Management Pack to fill up your CMDB with asset management data. And first I'm gonna show you the console. I want to focus on two things, on locations and on assets. Currently our locations field is empty, plus our hardware assets are empty as well. What we prepared already are a couple of catalog items, and these catalog items are some kind of model to be linked to actual assets. So the first thing I want to do is I want to import locations. In my case, I've prepared import template and a little CSV file, which I'm going to show you shortly. And the template is called import location. Sorry for being that in German, but it is country, city, office, and floor level. So this template is importing a CSV. The location hierarchy CSV is located here. And what it will do is it will set the country, the city, the office or building, and a floor. So we could go further here in terms of room and cubicle numbers, but that's enough for now. Just to show you how this location hierarchy file looks like, it is really simple. It is just the same as you saw in the DMP example. So it's just showing you the first few lines here. Okay, go back to the import template, and as you can see here, the DMP imports a hierarchy in terms of importing the objects themselves. So city, so country, city, office, and floor. But additionally, it is importing relationships. This looks following. We don't save this template. We get a warning now for licenses, but we don't have more than 10 records, so should be easy. Importing these 10 lines of data. And if we now go back to the asset management, we not only have a list of locations, we have a location tree showing us Germany with Munich, an office tower and a couple of floors, Switzerland and Austria, and inside Austria we have the city Vienna, one office tower and a couple of floors we can use now. So with that little amount of data we can import this hierarchy. What next? Let's say somebody is requesting machines. So wherever we get this data, finally we have a list, or we might have a list of things like this. So we have a model, we have a create date of the request, we have a user for whom that is, we have a unit price, a currency, and a tag. Okay, there might be more or less fields. Most important is the model, the user, and the tag. Okay, and I'm now switching over to the management server because I want to show you a second possibility how to import data. And this possibility is showed the next time, sorry. This will be with ordered. I do it again with the data import. So I have again a template prepared and importing a CSV file here. This is requested version 6.3 here. I get the file I just showed you, requested hardware CSV, and these are the values. But not only importing the asset itself, which is used here, and data is mapped from the CSV, like the asset tag is mapped from the source to the target unit price and so on. Not only this, additionally we are again mapping the catalog item and mapping the user to the asset because we know which model it is and we know the user. Okay, we don't save that template, get a license, warning, and import the data. So immediately after this step, if we look into our asset management, these 4 machines show up in a special folder which is just viewing requested hardware, and we can now continue to deal with them. And now's coming the PowerShell part I promised you, because the requested status means things shall be ordered, and now we want them to get ordered. And Provance delivers an import module in terms of a PowerShell script. Please remember this path here. So it's the Provance Service Manager Integration Commandlet PSD1. And if you import that, you got one command, import Service Manager data. You simply give in one parameter is the template name, and one parameter is the file name, what to import. And the file name we are using here is this ordered hardware CSV, which simply sets an order date if we use the tag number as the reference to the asset and then a PO number. And if we fire up that PowerShell script, it's very fast, by the way. So we get 4 updated assets, and if I refresh this screen now, the items are gone, and in the ordered screen they show up, plus a PO number and the lifecycle status set to ordered. It is as simple as that. And in the next step, what's happening now is the machines are ordered and then they are received. So somebody in the warehouse might walk in and get the barcode scanner, probably the one from Provance, and scan the boxes and generate the CSV file like this. So receive date, the tag, the shipping note, there should be double P, but sorry for that, a typo. The serial number of the machine, which the barcode might scan, and what's important for us, we want to know where these machines are. And if you create a CSV file like this, it's quite easy. I go back to the management server and again import this with a received template and the received barcode CSV I just showed you. Let's fire up this PowerShell script, and magically the view here goes empty again. So nothing is in there, but our assets are here. So they now have the lifecycle status received and they have a location. But this view isn't enough. What we want to know is where are these machines in our hierarchy. And if we now go back to Austria, Vienna, Twin Towers, and in our warehouse, the machines show up here. So I know these are in the warehouse. We have been tracking the person which has requested it already from the beginning. So this person is the assigned to, and now we can start deploying. Okay, I hope that was helpful for you, and see you soon for one of the future demos. Bye.